If you're someone who's been thinking about starting a business or you're already in it, but it feels messy, inconsistent, and scattered, then this video is for you. I want to walk you through what I call the 0 to 100K blueprint. It's not just a checklist, it's the exact process that I followed to build a 6-figure brand from scratch. I built this while still serving full-time in the military, so I built this in my spare time. And I didn't have a degree, connections, or any funding. I just had the drive to figure things out. I could do it all over again by using this blueprint. So I want to take you through it and teach you the ways. So let's do it. I started a business because I was constantly looking for something more. I wanted to grow, I wanted to learn real skills. I wanted to keep leveling up, and I wanted to create something that was my own. I definitely won't lie to you. I also wanted to earn a bit more than what the uniform was giving me. And that hunger pushed me to take action. It pushed me even if I didn't feel ready. So I saw the opportunity and the problem to be solved. I started my business, Valor Vinyls. A single idea evolving into the brand that it is today. That idea was, what if I could turn the stuff that I love into something that people would buy? What's my passion? What's my drive? I thought about it. That idea turned into a product, and that product turned into a process, and the process became my business. Once you start catching on to these things, you start to develop a keen eye for all of it. I loved pop culture, and I saw that a lot of people were carrying around empty water bottles in the gym or going around in public. I just saw a little opportunity there. Some of them had no style, or there were some faded stickers, especially on vehicles. And I also saw some businesses that had no way to showcase their logo except on their storefront. So I wanted to create that for them. I wanted a way for people to express themselves visually, and stickers fell perfectly into that hole. And while doing my research about this idea, I noticed that no other company was doing both pre-designed and custom stickers, so I plugged that hole as well. By hearing stories like that and opening your eyes to the world, you'll find more opportunities for you to grow, or more ideas for you to start a business. And trust me on this, it's not that hard. All it takes is the consistency and the knowledge. So if you're willing to give me the effort, I'll supply you the knowledge. I had to learn everything from scratch. No one is born with the skills and the knowledge. So I spent hours within the Real World, Capital Club, learning from Homozy, all the great podcasts and YouTubes. I digested all of them. I tested everything in real time and learned from my failures. Failed fast and I improved faster. The process of constant input, action, and correction was where all the growth happened. The ability to fail, learn from it, and keep moving forward is so damn powerful. Don't need to be a genius, you just need to be obsessed with figuring things out. My first year, I made $25,000, which isn't much, but I was learning from the scratch and I was growing as I was working full time. I was still learning and figuring out how all the moving part works. What actually made the difference was the 6 months after that. Once I tested, refined, and put the correct systems in place, I made over 100K within a very short time span. It came from doing boring things consistently, building systems and creating a product that people actually want, and learning how to sell it. I made this blueprint because I wish it existed when I started my business. It would have saved me a lot of second guessing and wasted time. And I know the hardship of getting over that edge and starting the business, or wondering what's going wrong, why am I not getting people and traffic to my store? I've corrected all of those mistakes. And honestly, I still use this blueprint as a great reference point for myself. Anytime I start a new project, I'll go back to the fundamentals. The full blueprint, you can download it down below. It's now available for everyone. It's for anyone who's building something from scratch or wanting to improve something they're already working on. If it's fresh or still messy, this is something to help you lock in. I'm not here to sell you the hype. I just want to help other people, and I know how hard it is to start. I want to share what works so you can avoid the same mistakes I made. Take what works, skip what doesn't. And if you get stuck, honestly, just reach out to me. I'm always happy to lend a helping hand and answer any questions you may have. And if you're still a bit hesitant on the whole blueprint, that's completely okay. I understand. I even crafted a 40+ email series with great helpful tips and bits of wisdom that will just help you create a great business and even help you in life. So if you want to jump on that email series as well, I'll put that down below too. I'm incredibly proud of it, and I even have some little sticky notes around just so I don't forget some of those helpful tips. This is the first video of the 0 to 100k series. Each one will break down a core part of the blueprint itself: mindset, systems, pricing, customers experience, you name it. It's all the behind the scenes that you don't really hear about, and people think it's assumed knowledge. If you're serious about this journey, the next step is already waiting for you. Click here to watch the next video about vision and offer. It's something you need to master before anything else. So if you're ready to build something real, hit subscribe, download the blueprint, and let's get to work. As always, I'm Jayden Connolly. Thank you for watching.